What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't subscribed to the YouTube channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm going to make a video specifically about the Panamorph DCR lens with the RS2000. But really it's about utilizing a DCR lens and understanding exactly what it does as well as how it functions. So if you're interested in this space, I did a complete walkthrough as well as we're going to do a demo, so separate videos. But in this video, I wanted to show you exactly what it does and how it functions on a widescreen formatted projector screen. So if you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. That's all I got for you guys. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, so when you're using the Panamorph DCR lens and a JVC projector, this is the RS2000 up here, but really this is all about the lens and aspect ratios is really the topic of this video, because I don't think people really understand what they're getting themselves into with widescreen formatting. So basically this is 16:9, what you're seeing right here broadcasted onto the screen. Right, you got the bars left and right. Now, we sell 16:9 screens, but in a lot of theater rooms, dedicated movie rooms, you don't want to broadcast in 16:9 because you're watching movies, and all of them are going to be in widescreen format. So, the fix is using a DCR lens, which the DCR lens is going to not only improve pixel density, but also brightness. Now, you could switch back and forth between the modes in the JVC as is, like it comes with lens memory built in, but this Panamorph DCR makes it next level. Now, I got a Harmony remote here, which you guys know we sell a ton of these. This is a universal remote, just makes it really easy to operate. One button press, and you can program in pretty much everything. Customer has programmed these two buttons for widescreen and standard full screen. So right now it's in 16:9. Boom, one button press. Now it's filling the entire screen. And you can see the projector did shift over to C. So you have to manually do that. I wanted to point that out. I made other videos with Chris Deering, which is one of our preferred partners, and he actually does Lumigen scalers, and we sell Lumigen products with Chris's professional calibration in combination with the DCR lens. You can have it programmed to where all of the aspects automatically change, but with just this product, the DCR lens, you still have to manually switch between the two. But with like a product like the Harmony, you know, it's not that big of a deal. You just switch back and forth depending on, you know, what content you're watching, which in a dedicated theater, most of the time you're going to stay on C. But say like you wanted to navigate the menus in the Blu-ray, you still got to go back to 16:9. So I just wanted to point that out because I don't think a lot of people understand that whenever they're shopping for widescreen. But I hope that that helps you guys out. I'll attach a demo to the end of this too, but if you guys would like to purchase a DCR Panamorph lens, JVC projection, anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed, and a free design service. Make sure to ask about our preferred installer network as well if you're not going to be DIYing it. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. I mean, look at that. Beautiful.
Wires ropers.
I'm a doctor, not an electrician.
Sorry.
Oh, I like her.